Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to talk about the super game 120 in 1. So for the people who are not familiar to this product in general, let me explain in short what is this. So this is a cartridge where this contains just a lot of different games. But when it comes to multi-game cards, it's always a little bit of a gamble, so that's the reason I picked them up. I just find it fun to review, collect and show them what are we going to get, because beside the colors and let's say the different casing qualities, there are quite some differences with the games. This is the Super Game 121. I'm very curious if we're having some decent games, because sometimes these collections are freaking horrible. Yes, I can tell you, they are freaking horrible. Some still don't have any save function, some have a save function. So it's just one big messed up stuff, and they are sometimes really naughty because they are giving us a multi-game card and at the end it's just basically a flash card. It's not the case here because as you can see there is no flash card. But if you look at the decal and let's say the label that is on this one, it looks pretty nice. As you can see, very nice. It's a little bit glossy. There's also a difference. Sometimes it's more like a matte finish, sometimes glossy, sometimes it's crappy shitty quality. Here at the back they even use the Nintendo decal, so that makes it even extra naughtier. Here at the back we can see a little sticker. I must say it's a very nice print, also glossy sticker. I think they ripped that off from a game or something. Nevertheless, there's nothing Nintendo about it because this is what we call pre-tendo. Nevertheless, we having this cartridge. Even has a very nice top label. Looks like a very decent collection. So let's use it in my system. I'm going to use the Hyperkin and yeah, let's try it and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, so let's take a close look at the collection, because I'm very curious always with these collections. We have two Battletoads, so I'm guessing there are the two Battletoad games, Spiker Mice, Blackthorn. That's a game that I have never seen before. So, but the first thing that I'm noticing with this collection that it is totally different, because most of these, let's say, collections have all these familiar games, but I see a lot of new games. For example, Flintstones, never seen it on a multi-game card, or I can't recall it anymore. Lost Vikings 1 and 2, Micro Machines. Let's see, we have more. We have a lot of Super Ghosts and Ghouls and all the other stuff. Mario Woods, and there are even some homebrew games on this. So this is what you're going to get with the 120 in 1. Looks promising. So let's try some games and let's see how they're running. Alright, so I just wanted to let you show this homebrew game. Let's see what kind of game it is. It says something about Zelda. The Ancient Stone Tablets. Okay, cool. Whoa. It does boot up like the original game, but oh, funny. So let's see, let's go outside, let's see what we're going to get with this. What is that? Really cool. Awesome. Well, let's try a Battletoad game. Very curious about this. Interesting. Cyberspin! I have never seen this game before. Oh, it's a racing game. Or is that a karting game? Oh, I did see this one before on a multi-game card. Whoa, this game is pretty hard to play. Whoa! X-Lay. Thank you. I need it. Oh, I love those Super NES soundtracks. Oh. I did play the Super NES, NES and the Mega Drive version. Never tried this one. Alright, let's boot up the game. Seriously? Seriously? It's more like a Mario Party game. Really funny. Hi, it's Mike Hager here. Hey, Mr. Hager, so pleased to meet you. I believe you know I am. Don't hang up. We have a little bit business proposition for you. Your daughter for your corporation, and we will throw you in the regular monthly bonus. How fast is this guy talking? What the hell? Oh, I'm making a different sound now. I really love the soundtrack of the Super NES and Los Vikings. Nothing happening. Oh, yes there is. Oh man, I love this game. So this is a game a lot of people don't know of, and this is a game here in Europe it's pretty obscure and it's quite expensive to buy. So, and that is something that is very cool that you need to have in your collection. The game Wild Guns. This is a really cool shooter. If you play a lot of arcade games, you are familiar with the way how this game works. Basically, shooting in the depth and trying to shoot everything that walks. More like Blood Bros. So I also need to play a little bit. This game is so much fun. Oh man, I play this game so much. And it's really cool to see it on this multi-game carpet, because this is a game you don't see very often. Maybe on very old ones from the 90s, but not from the newer versions. So basically what you do, you grab yourself a Lambo, and your bit, so your money, and you defeat all your opponents. Turbo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The rival, yes my friend. You're mine now. Because the turbo can just break over the grass. Position number 1. Man, I needed to place more money. Alright, so if I look at this 121 multi-game card collection, I think it's a pretty cool one. And I think this one will belong in my one of the top 10 favorites, because if you look at the collection itself, it's a collection of games. Let's say a lot of games you find on this card which you don't find on other ones. Most of the time it's more of the same, like a Final Fight, an F-Zero, a Final Fantasy and Zelda, for example. But this one is quite unique in my opinion. So let me know what you think of the game collection, or there are other games you know of. Nevertheless, thanks for watching. It would be great if you subscribe, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next video.